How's the sound level? Can you hear me okay?
Very close.
The film I'm making right now is more of a puff piece really than a film. It's a film, but I mean, it's not one of my better works per se. It's called Blizzard. Well, okay, well, it was called Blizzard into Dust. But I couldn't even fathom how people would understand that. So I called it Blizzard on Ice because Ice is the name of the main character. And actually I got that name from an old comic book where the main character's name was Ice. And the blizzard, there actually is no snow in the film. We actually called it Blizzard because that's the name of the alien. And actually another trick is there's no snow and you never see the alien. There's actually no color in the film. Through the process of making this film, I understood film more than ever before. And I would actually like to thank my documentarian. This project's really close to my heart, Justin, and I think he did a fantastic job in the making of this film. If not, alright, you know what I was going to say. So I'm not even going to say it. This is more of a puff piece, and I would actually like for you to send me some money. No. Okay, send me some money, and maybe I could make you some more film that would actually have color. We're actually looking to have sound in our next piece. We were going to bring in a live orchestra, but your life. And I just want you to know that my politics are mine, not yours. George. Oh, one more thing. All right. How does this look?
It's perfect.
Is the light
Oh.
okay? What?
I mean, the sunlight's going down a bit, but it'll do.
Yeah? Is it scary?
Yeah, it's frightening.
Alright. Here's the shot. This is your best friend that just died. Hold back. No, come back. Now hold back and resist. Now, this is your best friend that died. Don't cry. Fake to cry. Pretend to think about crying. Just think about it.
But don't, no tears.
The audience will tear, but you won't.
Perfect.
You got that?
Yeah.
Don't hold back.
Alright.
Action. Okay, that was our first shot. Some of you who don't know what a shot is, gotta know. Alright, just come with me. Come on! It's my new movie. No, look at me.
What?
Oh, alright. See that I'm already famous. The lady was waving at me. Okay. Set it on.